day 113. I'm having to do this again because for some reason my SD card formatted itself, and well, yeah, with the GoPro, and it just erased earlier footage. But what I am doing today, and some of it I've done, but what I am doing today is I am trying to figure out what else I need for my freshwater tank system, and basically getting the pieces and putting it all together a little bit. And for some reason I kept pondering about the 4 squares of foam on the bottom part of my shower pan. It doesn't have 4 squares, it has a whole sheet of foam on the bottom, which is pretty durable. So I think that should be an easier install for the whole thing. And I just put that piece of 1/2-inch birch plywood cut off just to make sure I know where exactly it's going to be, and it's going to be exactly to here too as well. So that should be fine. And then I also went to Home Depot again, and I got what is it called, a ball valve like this, and a 1/2-inch nipple that's about 2 inches long. So I got those so I can put this on. Well, this one is just a placeholder, but I'm gonna put one over there and have it for this. That way I can open and close it. The water output going to the pre-filter, the water pump, and also the accumulator, and then it would go on from there. So I hope that should be good. I'm gonna keep looking for some other stuff, but yeah. And as soon as I got back to the area, in the mail I got my Dura faucet, which is going to be sitting right in front like this, right here. So I think that's actually pretty aesthetically perfect, and hopefully it's working well. And yeah, but this also gave me a good size and everything. It gives me an actual physical thing to look at, so I don't have to, so I can actually figure out what I need to get from Home Depot and all that stuff. And today what I've done, not very interesting for you, I'm guessing, yeah, because it didn't show, but I pretty much got female 1/2-inch fittings for the bottom of this that can just connect to the PEX, and I have plenty of PEX piping, so that's not a problem. And also I got another T because there's 2 handles that you can turn on, and I just want them both to work, because yeah, it'd be weird if they don't. So, and then I got another elbow because it's gonna go to a T, then an elbow, and then connect to the other one too, because they're both gonna be cold water, because I don't need hot water in my sink. And yeah, so there's that. And I also ordered another one of these over here, these 1.5-inch to 3/4 GHT, which is garden hose or something size. So yeah, and they will fit, that will fit to what I want it to, and have as a drain, because I also got a hose that I can just drain my freshwater tank if I need to. And then also it's going to be removable, especially for the gray tank. It's going to be a removable drain for my gray tank as well, because I don't really see a need to have 2 hoses for that, and have one situated where it can't use it and it's out on the outside. So that's, yeah, I don't see any a reason for that, so I'm just going to use one. All right, I think that's going to be a day, because I think I bought maybe all of the stuff that I need so far, and I'm waiting on other stuff to get in, so I get a more of a idea of what I should be doing. Oh, and I also got the, well, a very cheap drain cap for my shower drain cap, yeah. So yeah, there's that. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.